Hi friends, welcome to Government Jobs Portal. Okay, in this video we are going to see number series which will come for 5 marks in every bank exam and of course in SBI PO also. So if you follow this video properly and if at all you practice very well, you will definitely get 5 marks. Okay, so the number series will be like this. This first one is pure series. See, by just seeing the series itself we can say the answer what will come next. Okay, and the second one is difference. By seeing the difference and of course difference and something like that we can find the number. And the other one is multiplication or division, or both a mixture of multiplication and division will be done there. And the fourth one is miscellaneous. It is mixture of everything. Okay, so first of all, by just seeing the series, see what we should do. Now we are going to see that first in the pure series. Okay, so see, you can see some examples here. So these are pure series. Just by seeing the series itself we can answer these questions. Okay, so first of all, when you see a question, you should just try to answer that by just seeing it. Okay, if at all you are getting any pattern in that or something like that. Okay, so see the first example here: 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and the next one. See, we are clearly understood that these are the prime numbers, right? 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and the next one will be surely 17. Okay, so we can go from the easy level to the hard level. Okay, so the next one, see the next one: 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. See, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So in the blank it will come 6 square. So 6 square is 36. Okay, just by seeing the series itself we are able to answer the question, right? That is pure series just by seeing it. So the next one: 8, 64, 216, 512. So you should be aware of everything, cubes and squares. Okay, so see, 8 is nothing but 2 cube, 64 is 4 cube, 216 is 6 cube, 512 is 8 cube. So see here, 2, 4, 6, 8, and the next one will be 10 cube. 10 cube is nothing but 1000. Okay, see the next example. So see here, 24, 60, 120, 210. So what will come next? See here, you should clearly observe that 24. By just seeing 24 you should get the idea of 27, which is 3 cube. Okay, so you should practice well. You should thoroughly know every square and cubes. Okay, so 3 cube is 27. So what is happening here? 3 cube minus 3 is 24. 4 cube 64. So 4 cube minus 4, right? 5 cube 125. So 5 cube minus 5. 6 cube 216. 6 cube minus 6. So the last term will be 7 cube minus 7. 7 cube is 343 minus 7. So 343 minus 7 is 366. So 366 is the, 336. 336 will be the answer. Okay, so the next one. See, this is a very interesting question actually. 61, 52, 63, 94, 46, and what will be the next? So see, by seeing this we can't find anything actually, but if you see it very clearly, okay, 61, if you inverse it we get 16. 52 is nothing but 25. If you inverse the digits of the number: 63, 36, 94, 49, 46, 64. See what they are doing: 4 square, 16, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square. So just they inverted the digits. Okay. So 8 square and what will come? 9 square. 9 square is 81. So the invert 18. 18 will be the answer. Okay. So sometimes they may ask in these types also. So you should be very thorough in squares and cubes. Okay. So the next one, and of course the last one in the PU series. So see, 4. By just seeing 4, you should come to know it is 2 square. 8, it is nothing but 2 cube. 9, 3 square. 27, 3 cube. 16, 4 square. And what will come next? 4 cube. See, 2 square, 2 cube. 3 square, 3 cube. 4 square, 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 64. So 64 is the answer. So in the pure series, just by seeing the series itself, we are going to answer these type of questions. See, squares, cubes, and of course we are not doing any difference. By just seeing the series itself, we are solving the questions. First of all, this is the step 1 for every question. Okay. By just seeing the series, first of all you should try, if at all you can find any logic in the series by just seeing that. Okay. If you are unable to find any logic from that, then you should go to the difference. Then you should find the difference. See, we can see the first example in this difference. See, when we get this question, see, 5, 9, 18, 33 and 55. So by just seeing this, we can't find any logic. So then what we should do is we should find the difference. So what is the difference between 5 and 9? It is 4. 9 and 18, it is 9. 18 and 33, 18 plus 15, 33. 33 and 55, it is 22. So next number difference, we don't know that. So next, see, 4, 9, 15 and 22. Now treat this as a series. Okay, 4, 9, 15 and 22. Try to find if at all there is any logic in that. 2 square, 3 square. But here there is no 4 square or 5 square. So there is no logic. So what we should do here is we should find the difference again. So what we are doing is we are finding the difference for the difference. So see here, 4 and 9. What is the difference? 5. 9 and 15, it is 6. 15 and 22, it is 7. See, we are going to see, we are seeing a pattern here. So what will be the next difference? It will be surely 8. So 22 plus 8 is 30. So what will be the number here? 55 plus 30. It is nothing but 85. So 85 is the answer. Okay. So going to the next question. See, 238, 230, 239, 175 and 200. See, by just seeing this question, we can't find any logic here. So what we should do first? We should find the difference. So what is the difference? It is 8 here. It is minus 8, right? Here it is what it is happening? Plus 9. Okay. Here 9 minus 5, 4. 23 minus 17, 6. It is subtracted. Minus 64. So we are seeing something here. So next, 175 plus 200. It is nothing but 25. That is plus 25. Okay. So what is happening here? 8. By just seeing 8, you should get an idea. It is nothing but minus 2 cube. Okay. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. 9 is nothing but 3 square. Okay. First of all, you should check this option. If at all it doesn't work, then you should go to the other option. Okay. 3 square, 9. 64. 4 cube, 64. It is minus. This is 5 square, 25. See, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cube, square, and the next one will be definitely cube. 2, 3, 4, 5 and the next one will be 6. Minus 1, minus plus minus plus, definitely it will be minus. So minus 6 cube is minus 216. So 200 minus 216, what will be the answer? Minus 16 will be the answer. Okay. So when we see a series, if you are unable to find the logic, then we should go to the difference. Okay. So seeing the next example. Okay. 15, 20, 45, 85, question mark and 190. So see here. So what is the difference? By just seeing this, we are unable to find the logic. No logic is found here. 4 square 16, okay, minus 1. But 5 square 25, minus 5. And nothing is found here. So we should find the difference. Difference is 5. Here the difference is 25. Here the difference is 40. Here we don't know the difference. Here also we don't know the difference. Okay. So see, 5, 25, 40. We can't find any logic here. So what we should do? We should again find the difference. 5, 25. It is 20. 25 and 40. It is 15. See, there is a chance that 20, 15 and next one can be 10. There is a chance. So we should go to that chance. We should use that chance. So 25, 20, 15 and next one will be 10. So here the difference is 40. 40 plus 10, it will be 50. So what will be the difference? Next difference will be surely 20, 15, 10 and 5. 50 plus 5, 55. So now we should check whether it is right or wrong. 85 plus 50, it is 135. 135 plus 55, 190. Yes. So we got it right. Okay. So here what we have did, 5, 25, 40, we got the differences. So we found again the difference of the differences 20, 15 and next one can be 10. Mostly it can be 10. So we have taken that 10. Okay. So moving to the next example. 25, 50, question mark, 180, 301, 470. So here we should find the difference. See, we can we find any logic here? 5 square 25, 7 square 49 plus 1 and its question mark 13 square. So we can't find any logic here. So what we should do is we should find the difference. And of course we can see 25 into 2, 50. 50 into 2 or 3, no. So it is, we are not getting in that way. So just find the difference now. 25. Okay. We don't know the difference here and we don't know the difference here also. What is the difference here? 300 minus 180, 120 plus 1, 121. Okay, 11 square is 121. So here what is the difference? 300 plus 170, 470 minus 1 is 169. So see here 121 is nothing but 11 square, 169 is nothing but 13 square. What is it? 25 is nothing but 5 square. So what should come here? 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So here the difference will be 7 and this will be 9. So 7 square and 9 square. Right? 7 square is 49. 9 square is 81. 50 plus 49. 99. 99 plus 81 is nothing but 180. So 99 is the right answer. Okay. So the next one. See here 10, 11 and question mark and 42, 298 and 3423. Here see the last term is very bigger than the before term. We may think that here some multiplication is going on. Okay. So but it is a vast difference. Okay. So first we should find the difference. Why? Because here we are having only 1 as the difference. Okay, 1. And the next one we don't know what the difference is. And the next one we don't know here also. And here see what is the difference? 8 minus 2, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 256. So we got 256. So what can be 256? We can find the difference later. Okay, 256. We got 256. So what can be 256? 16 square is 256. See, if at all this is 16 square, we can treat this as 1 square. Okay, we can treat this as 1 square. We got 16 square. So what will be the between terms? 1, 4, 8, 16. Yeah, there is a possibility. So 1, 4, 4 square 16, 16 plus 11, 27. And the next one is 8 square 64. So it can't come here. So 4 and 8 are wrong possibilities. So see here, think of something in which way you can write the 256. We can write the 256 as 4 power 4. Okay, we can write 256 as 4 power 4. Now see here, 1 square. We can treat this as 1 square or 1 power 1 also, right? Why? Because see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there, and here starting is 1 and the ending is 4. Most of the chances 2 will come here and 3 will come here. Why? Because see here, 1 and 4 are the first and fourth terms. So the second and third term will be 2 and 3. So 1 power 1, we can treat this 1 as 1 power 1. We got 4 power 4. In the powers also, we can take 3 and 2. So this can be a possibility. So we should check it whether it is right or wrong. 2 square is 4. So 11 plus 4, it is 15. 3 cube 27. 27 plus 15 is 42. So it is right. Okay. So the last one in the difference. So find the difference here. See, we are unable to find any logic here. So we should find the difference. Difference is 16. Here the difference is 48 and 52. It is 4. Okay. Difference is 2. Here the difference is also 2. We don't know the difference here. Okay. So see here, now if at all if we see the difference pattern, we are unable to find any logic here. So by taking the difference 12, 2 and 0, there also we are unable to find any logic. So see here, sometimes it happens that, see here, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay. Yeah. So we got some logic there. 2 into 1 is 2. And 2 into 2 is 4. So it is going in the reverse order. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4 is 16. Right? So what is happening here? 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. So what is happening here means, so 4, half of 4, 2. Half of 2, 1. Half of 1, it is nothing but 0.5. 0.5. So 2 into 0.5 is nothing but 1. Sorry, 2 into 0.5 is nothing but 4. So 4 into 0.5. 4 into 1 by 2 is 2. Okay. We are doing multiplication from this side. So 4 into 0.5, 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. So we got a pattern. So the difference will be 4. 56 plus 4 is nothing but 60. Okay. So in this way we can find the difference. Okay. So now we are going to see multiplication, division or both. So now we are going to see the series in which we can find how to find multiplication or division or both are going on in that series. Okay, seeing the first example. See the first example, 50, 30, 40, 75 and 170. So see, whenever the first term and the second term, see the first and second terms here. If the second term is near to the half of the first term, okay, half of 50 is 25. So the second term is near to 25, right? Whenever the second term is near to half of the first term, then there is a possibility that this is multiplied by 0.5. 0.5 is nothing but half. Okay. So 50 into 0.5. 50 into 0.5 is 25. So half of 50 is 25. So what is happening here? 25 plus 5. right? So there is a chance, there is a possibility. First of all, you should see this possibility. Before finding the difference also, you should find this possibility first. If at all the second term is near to half of the first term, and one more thing is, see, first term, second term is less than first term, and again see the series, it is going on increasing. Only the second term is less and the remaining all the terms are increasing. Then you should find that the first term is multiplied by 0.5. Okay, so 50 into 0.5 is 25 plus 5 30. So now 30 into 1 30 plus 10. Right, 30 into 1 30 plus 10. So what is happening here? 0.5 into 0.5 into 1, next will be into 1.5. So 40 into 1.5 60 plus 15. 60 plus 15 is 75. So see here, 5 10 15, the next one will be 20 and the next one will be 25. So see here, 0.5 1 1.5 2 and 2.5. Right? So 170 into 2.5 plus 25. So 170 into 2.5. What is the value? So 17 into 25. 17 into 25 is nothing but 25 fours 425. Right? So 425 plus 25. It is 450. So 450 will be the answer. Okay? Right, 25 fours 100, so 400s are there, 400 plus 25, 425. Okay, 425 plus 25 is 450. So the answer will be 450. So see here, you should observe the only one thing, the second term is less than first term and it is near to the half of the first term and the remaining terms are going on increasing. Then you should find this possibility first and later on you can find the difference if this possibility went wrong. Okay. So the next question, 6, 9, 18, 45, 135, etc. See, whenever you find a series, see, there is a possibility that into 2 is happening here, right? There is a possibility. Okay. So into 2, if into 2 is happening here, what can happen here? What do we know? 6 into how much is 9? 6 into 1.5 is 9, right? 6 1.5 is 9. So 6 into 1.5. So 1.5, 2, it can be 2.5. This can be 2.5. See here. So 18 into 2.5. 18 into 2.5. So 18 into 25. See first, 18 into 25 is nothing but 450 itself. So it is 450. So decimal point 45. Yes. So 18 into 2.5 is 45. So what will happen here? So it is into 3. 3 5 is 15. 5 1 3 4 is 12. 135. Yes, it is right. So next one is 3.5. So the answer will be 135 into 3.5. 135 into 3.5 will be the answer. Okay. So in the series itself, they have clearly shown here into 2 is done here, 9 into 2, and here we can find into 3. So the remaining, we are finding the remaining terms. Okay. So moving to the next example. See here, we can see another rule here. See, 2, 13, 76, 377, 1504 and the last digit. See here, the last number is very higher than the before number, right? In this series, the last number is very higher than the before number. So there is a possibility that multiplication is going on there. 90% possibility is there that multiplication is going on there. So you should check that possibility first. Okay. So see here. So 300 into 5 is 1500. So maybe it may be multiplied by 4 and added by something. Maybe there is a possibility. So now see here. Okay, 76 into how much will be 377? 76 into 5 into 6 it will be more into 5. We should check the into 5 value. So 76 into 5. 70 into 5 is 350. 6 into 5 is 30. So it is 380. So it is very near value. Yes. So we got something. It is into what? Into 5 is nothing but 380 and minus 3 is happening here. Okay. So see this. So 13 into 6 is 78. Into 6 is 78 and here minus 2 is happening. Okay. So what will happen here? Here see 5 into 6 and this will be surely into 7. Minus 3 minus 2 this will be minus 1. So the next series will be into 4 1 2 3 minus 4. So into 5 minus 5, sorry, into 3 minus 5. Why? Because 7 6 5 4 3 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we should multiply 1504 by 3 and we should subtract 5. We can do it. 3 into 4 12, 3 15s 45 minus 5, so 4507 is the answer. Okay. Okay, so moving to the next problem. See here, 8, 4.5, 5.5, 9.75, 21.5. Here also we are able to see the second term is what? Second term is less than the first term and the remaining is going on increasing. First thing, and it is near to the half of the first term. Yes, 8 half is 4 and it is 4.5. Second thing, and the third thing is we are finding 0.5s here. Okay, 0.5s. So whenever you find 0.5s, there is a possibility that it is multiplied by 0.5 or 1.5 or something like that. So now see, so 8 into 0.5, 8 into 0.5, 8 into half is nothing but 4. So what they have done? They added again the 0.5. Okay, it may be a possibility. So we should check whether this is applicable for all these things or not. So next, 4.5 into 1 4.5 plus 1, right? Into 1, 4.5 into 1 4.5 plus 1 is 5.5. Yes, so we got the pattern here. What will be the next one? 0.5 into 1 into 1.5. 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5. So it will be into 2 plus 2 and the last one will be into 2.5 plus 2.5. So if we multiply 21.5 into 2.5 and at last add 2.5, we get the answer. Okay. So now moving to the next question. Okay. 5, 6, 10, 33, 128, 645. So see here, I said you before itself, if the last term is higher than the before term, very higher than the before term, there is a possibility that multiplication is going on there. So see here, 128. So see, it may be how many times? It may be 5 times nearly, right? 120 into 5 is 600. So it is very near. So we can check. We can do into 5 here. See, 5 into 128. 5 8s 40. 5 2s 10. 14. 5 1s 5. 640. So what is happening here? Into 5 and 640. We got 128 into 5 is 640. Then we should add 5, then we get 645. Okay. So now, what is happening here? So we can find 30 into 4 is 120. So we should do into 4. 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 13, 132. So see here, into 4, but we got 132. So we should subtract 4. Right? So into 5 plus 5, into 4 minus 4. So what is this? Into 3 plus 3. 10 into 3 30 plus 3. So what is happening here? Into 3 plus 3. Into 4 minus 4. Into 5 plus 5. Then the next term will be into 6 minus 6. Why? Because one addition, one subtraction, one addition and one subtraction will be done here. So 6 into 645, 6 5 30, 0 3, 6 4 24, 27 7 2, 6 6 36, 38. So 3870 minus 6, that is nothing but 3864 is the answer. Okay. So next one. So here 34, 18, 29 and there is a blank in between, and the last one is 268.25. So now again see here the first term and the second term. Okay, it is near to the half of the first term, first thing, and later on they are increasing, second thing, and we are finding some 0.25 here. So there is every possibility that it is multiplied by 0.5. So multiply with 0.5. 34 by 0.34 into 0.5, that means 34 half. How much? It is 17. So 17 plus 1 is nothing but 18. Okay. So now see here 18 into 1 is 18. Okay. Plus 11. So it is very big. So see 18 into 1.5. 18 into 1.5. 18 into 1.5. So 15 into 18. See 15 into 18. 15 8s 120. 0 12. 15 1s 15. 27. So we got 27. Decimal point 27. So into 1.5 we got 27 plus 2 is happening there. Right? Into 1.5 plus 2. So the next number will be 0.5, 1.5, it will be 2.5. And plus 1 plus 2, it will be plus 3. So if we multiply 29 with 2.5 and add 3, we get the answer. Okay. So now we are going to see the last one in this method. Okay, in this multiplication series. Okay. So see here 111, 109, 212, 222, 68 dash 46. So see here. So clearly observe here. When we find this series, we can't find any logic here, right? So there is a possibility 111, 222 and 333 can be here, right? If the options, if there is 333, you can go with that option. If in the options there is no 333 present there, so what we should do? So now we should find the logic here. So see here, what is happening here? So what can happen here? Into 1 is 111 and minus 2 can happen, right? Okay. So now what can happen here? 112, 109 into how much? Into 2. Into 2, see 109 into 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s 2. 218, right? So into 2, 218 plus 4. Okay. So into 1 minus 2 into 2 plus 4. Okay. See here, the next term is reduced. See here, if you see the complete series, it is higher, it reduced. It again increased, it again reduced, it again increases, it again reduces. Okay. So see here, how we will get 68 here? Okay. How we get 68? So see, there is a chance that 222 by 3. Right, 222 by 3. See, 222 by 3. 3 6s are 18. 42. Sorry, 3 7s are 21. 3 7s 21. 3 4s 12. So 74. So into 3 we got 74, and what we should do? Minus 6. Sorry, divided by 3, and what we have done is minus 6. Subtracted 6 from that, then we got 68. So see here, 111 divided by 1. We can take divided by 1 also, right? 111 divided by 1 is also 111. 111 into 1 is also 111. Why you have taken divided by? Why? Because here divided by into divided by. And again multiplication will be done. So what will be the number? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2, 4, 6 and 8. minus plus minus plus. So 64 into 4 plus 8 will be the answer. Okay. So like this we can find the multiplication series. Okay. Only the thing is first digit and last digit, and if the difference is very much before and the first two digits also, we should observe that. Now we are going to see the miscellaneous. Okay. So now we are going to see the miscellaneous questions. Okay. See the first question, 20, 20, 24, 42, 90. See, by just seeing this, we are unable to find any pattern here. Okay. We are unable to find any pattern. So what we should do? We should find the difference. So see, find the difference. 20 to 20, difference is 0. And 20 to 24, it is 4. 24 and 42, 24 plus 18 is 42. 42 and 90, 48. And the next difference, we should find the difference and we should add it. So see here, whenever you find 4 and 18, okay, whenever you find 4 and 18 numbers, you should come to know only one thing, that is 2 cube minus 2 square is 4. There is a possibility that they are doing this thing, that is 2 cube minus 2 square. So 18 is 3 cube minus 3 square. 3 cube 27 minus 9 18. Okay. So there is every possibility that whenever you find 4 and 18, you should see this possibility first. Okay. So now see here, it will be 1 cube minus 1 square, right? So 1 minus 1 is 0. Yeah. Okay. See the 48. It should be 4 cube minus 4 square. 4 cube is 64, 4 square is 16. So it is 48. Yes. So it is true. So this possibility, this series is happening here. So the next one will be 5 cube minus 5 square. Fine. 5 cube is 125. 5 square is 25. So we should subtract it. We got 100. So 90 plus 100 is nothing but 190. So 190 is the answer. Okay. So see the next example. See, these are the miscellaneous questions. We just can't see this. We can only solve these questions by practicing so much. Okay. By practicing more and more and more, then only you will get these ideas. Okay, how to solve these questions, you will get the idea only by solving more and more. Okay, see the next question. 10, 34, 74, 130, 202, and the next one is a question mark. So see here, what is happening here? So we can't find any logic here. So what we should do? We should find the difference. Okay, we are going to find the difference. 24, it is 40, 34 and 74, and next 74 and 130, 74, 6, 56, and the last one is 72. So see, we got the difference. Now can you find any logic here? Can you find any logic? 24 plus 16, 40 plus 16, 56 plus 16, 72 plus 16. It will be 88. So 202 plus 88. It is 290. Okay. So it is 290. And see, so we got the difference of difference. But one more thing is, this question can be answered in a different way also. See here. 10. How can we write 10? 10 is near to 3 square, right? So 3 square plus 1. 3 square plus 1. Okay, we can write 3 square plus 1. 34. 34 we can write as 5 square 25, right? 5 square 25 plus 9. 9 is nothing but 3 square again. So 74. How can you write? See, you can write this 1 square also. So 1 3 3 5, and the next one will be 5 7, right? See 5 square plus 7 square. See whether it is right or wrong. 5 square 25 plus 7 square 49. Yes. So next one will be 7 square plus 9 square. So next one will be 9 square plus 11 square. And finally this will be 11 square plus 13 square. Okay. So 11 square is 121. 13 square is 169. So 9 plus 1 10. 6 7 8 9. 1 plus 1 2. 290 is the answer. So these are the miscellaneous questions. They can be asked in this manner also. Here we got the difference, then we got the answer. But if at all this difference is not applied here, then see, miscellaneous questions will be like this. We can't find these things by just normally, only we can get these things by practicing so much. Okay, if we practice very well, then itself we can catch these type of things. Okay, then only we can get these miscellaneous hard questions which don't have any proper methods. Okay, anything can be done there. Okay, so seeing the last question. Okay, 420, 280, 210, 168, 140 and the next one question mark. So see here 420. So now also we can see the difference. What is the difference? It is 140, right? What is the difference? 70. What is the difference? 32 plus 10, 42. What is the difference? 28. So seeing the difference, we are unable to find anything there. So what we should do here? So we can think that some multiplication may be going on there. So there is some chance of some multiplication going on there. So 420 into how much can be 280? Yeah, 420 into how much can be 280? So 420 into x can be 280. Then x is 280 by 420. Right? 7 4 0 0 cancel. 7 4s 28. 7 6 2s 3s. So it is 2 by 3. So we got a proper fraction. Okay. So that is 2 by 3. So into 2 by 3. Okay. So what can be this? Into how much? So into C 3 by 4. 4 70s 280. 70 into 3 210. So 2 by 3, 3 by 4. The next one will be 4 by 5. This will be 5 by 6. This will be 6 by 7. So 140 into 6 by 7. 7 1 720. 20 into 6 120 is the answer. So these type of series can also be given. Okay. You can solve these kind of series only by practicing very much. Okay. You should be able to find these things only by practice. You can find only by practice. Otherwise, you can't find any of these series. Okay. So these are the miscellaneous hard questions. So many questions can be asked. Squares and cubes, they will just add it. 3 square plus 3 cube. So anything, any pattern can be given, which is only done by practicing so much. Okay guys, thanks for watching. And please do subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and please do share with your friends and practice very well. Number series is very important concept and yeah, it will come for 5 marks. Okay, so practice very much and all the best. Thanks for watching and bye bye.